If you've lost access to your Cash App account and need to regain ownership, follow these straightforward steps to recovery quickly. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to facilitate the recovery process. Step 2. Tap on Profile icon. Locate and tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your account information. Step 3. Select Support. Scroll down and select the Support option. This section provides various resources and options for account recovery and troubleshooting. Step 4. Choose Something Else. In the Support menu, select Something Else to access additional options. This will lead you to a list of issues where you can find help regarding account access. Step 5. Follow recovery instructions. Look for the option related to account access or recovery. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, which may involve verifying your identity or resetting your password. After completing these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Cash App account. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Cash App support directly for further assistance.